Prana reside in our nadis. So what do you know about nadi? सुना है कुछ नाड़ी के बारे में? Have you heard?
Is it a pulse? Is it a pulse?
Pulse, in a way, you can say yes, but
like veins in our body.
So there are two kinds of vein in our body. You're right, but over here I'm talking about. Just a minute. So, I'm sorry, my co-host बनके बनाना आया नहीं. So I'm all the time I'm just admitting everyone. Just give me a minute, please. Okay. Let's start. Stop.
इसमें भी screen है ना?
Okay, let's hear. So nadis are, there are two kinds of nadis in our body. One is, everybody can see it every time because I'm sorry, I'm asking you again and again so that there is no problem. All of you can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So nadis are of two kinds in our body. One which can be seen physically with our eyes, which are known as the arteries and veins and all. And the nadis that I'm talking about is subtle. You cannot see them, but we have in ample amount, and through these nadis, which are also called channels, are prana flows. Let's hear about it.
To understand chakra, we must first understand nadis. Nadi can be explained as channel through which the primordial energy of prana flows, as it governs the functioning of the mental and physical planes of our existence. There are 72,000 nadis in the psychic body. Out of these, 10 are believed to be important and are connected with the 10 gates or openings of the body: anus, urinary tract, mouth, nostrils, eyes, ears, and crown of the head.
So do you know one thing? That whenever a person dies, he or she dies from any one or two gates. Are you aware of that? I'm muting everyone, okay? Mute all, I'm just muting. Okay, so are you aware that whenever a person dies, the person dies from any one or two gates? And from whichever gate the person dies, reveals the kind of life that person had led or the kind of person he or she was. So suppose if a person dies from lower gate, that is through the urinary tract or through the anus, first of all, tell me, how do you come to know that the person has died from urinary tract or from anus? Whoever wants to answer, please unmute yourself and can answer, and then mute yourself again.
I think they pass
When you
motion
have
or
to,
urine.
yes, exactly. They pass urine or they soil their clothes by passing stool. That means they have died from the lower gates. Such kind of people lead a very tamasic kind of life. You must have heard about three gunas that all of us we have: tamasic, rajasic, and sattvic. So tamasic people, that means there are six vices. All of us we have six vices, and the degree varies in among all of us. So those six vices are known as Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Irsha, Ahankar. Kam, Krodh is desire, any kind of desire. Over here, Kam doesn't mean only sex. Over here, desire for any kind. And Kam, Krodh, Lobh. Lobh is greed. and attachment. And Irsha, Ahankar is jealousy and ego. And they always travel in pairs. So suppose two people are very friendly with each other, they have the same capability or capacity, yet one starts gaining name and fame. So other person's ego gets hurt, so that person gets jealous of the earlier person. So that's how. So the tamasic person has ample amount of these 6 vices. Then Rajasic. Rajasic, we all fall under this group. Rajasic means these 7 gates. That is 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, and 1 mouth. These are the 7 gates. So in eyes case, the eyes remain open. That means the person has died from the eyes. Ears and nose, you don't come to know. The mouth remain open. That means the person has died from the mouth. Then the last one is known as the Sattvic gate. That is this Brahmarantra, the Talva region that we know among babies, which is very soft. So a person, when the person dies from here, now tell me, how do you come to know that the person has died from the Talva region or the Brahmarantra? Do you know anyone who has died from here? And how do you come to know?
That head, prana will go from head.
Yes.
It is
But how
a
do you come to
broken
know?
portion.
कैसे मालूम
Because
चलता है?
my grandfather is dead from there, so cracks are there.
You are
My grandfather.
नहीं, आप इंदिरा जी
हाँ.
आप 32nd पर्सन हैं जिन्होंने कहा है कि हाँ मैं जानती हूँ मेरी ग्रैंडफादर की डेथ हुई थी और ये क्रैक हो जाता है। मैं राइट इंदिरा जी?
Yes.
किसने बताया आपको यहाँ से ये क्रैक हो गया था?
My father and everybody has seen, they have told.
और क्या देखा था उन्होंने? क्रैक हुआ था और कुछ बता?
Like there are a big sound when he passes. So many persons are in the room.
Okay, and Indira ji, can you say like what kind of person your father and all say that he was?
He's very sadhvik type person. He could see Durga ji also in the puja time.
Oh wow! And he was very helpful, kind, was he?
He's very much that type of person for help everybody.
Normally, when I asked all those 31 people before you, everyone said that somebody said, just like you, Indira ji, that my father, some said my father, some said my grandmother, grandfather, my guru. Once 2 or 3 people said my guru. One person said my Maharaj. They died. That person said that he was cooking in the kitchen and there was a loud noise and he just fell down. So my Maharaj died from here. He was very nice person and very good. And it was simply amazing. So the way you are saying, everybody had the same answer. So over here, I'm talking about the 72,000 nadis, out of which 10 are believed to be important. These 10 are connected with the 10 gates of our body. But among these 10, I'm not going to reveal more about that. 3 are again important. Those 3 nadis are known as the Ida, Pingla, Sushumna. Ida, when predominantly we breathe in and out through the left nostril, at that time your Ida nadi is more predominant. So at a time, you all can check it out by making a pranam mudra, place it on your upper lip and check which nostril is active. It will be either left or right predominantly. Predominantly means that more of the breath you'll be passing through one nostril. Okay, it will be either left or right. So whichever nostril is active, we have 2 brains, left and right. So whenever you breathe in and out predominantly through the left nostril, your right brain is more active. And left nostril and right brain takes care of our mental activity in the body. Whenever we breathe in and out through the right nostril, at that time, your left brain is more active. Left brain and the right nostril takes care of the physical activity. So whenever you eat anything, eat or drink anything or any physical physicality if you get busy into, automatically the whole system changes to right nostril and left brain. This, however, this whole function changes after 90 to 120 minutes. And a lot of other things which you can control by doing, just changing the flow of prana from one nostril to the other nostril. So suppose whenever you are angry, and at times it's very, very dangerous to show your anger, you want to control it. How can you control it? Especially हमारे staff को तो हम गुस्सा दिखा ही नहीं सकते, दिखाते हैं कितनी बार, लेकिन बहुत बार तो फिर हमको ये भी डर रहता है कि चले जाएंगे. So you have to control it. How do you control it? So at that time, anger is connected with physical activity, plus anger is connected with your Pingla Nadi in the left vein. So at that time, when you want to control it, simply close your right nostril for 2 to 5 minutes till your left nostril automatically gets predominant. And by doing that, your anger will disappear without harming you or others. Whenever you are feeling lethargy, you don't feel like working or doing anything, and you have a lot of work to complete. At that time, you'll be breathing in and out through the left nostril only. Close your left till you start breathing through the right nostril for 2 to 5 minutes. And the moment your right nostril gets activated, you will feel energetic again. Now, in case of headache, whichever nostril is active at that time, you can close that nostril. The moment other nostril gets activated, your headache will disappear without popping in any pill. And one more thing I'd like to share with you all. In last 12 years, I haven't got a single headache. Yes, you're rightly hearing me. You can hear me correctly, not a single headache. People who do meditation regularly doesn't get headache very easily, doesn't get cold and cough very easily, or if they get it also, they cure it very fast. It's a fact. You can check it out, people who do it regularly. And they don't get stressed. If they get stressed, they know the answer immediately. They know the solution to their stress. So this changing of the nadis is known as Swaryo. You can change it, and those small things or problems that you suffer from, you can cure it. क्योंकि खाना खाने के बाद, स्पेशली दोपहर के खाने के बाद, काफी लोगों को नैप लेने की आदत होती है. And they have been told that sleep on your left side. Am I right? Do you know why? Why on the left side?
Because we have heart on the left side, so the pumping of the blood, that is more better.
Yes, okay.
No, because intestines are going that way, so you big intestines, the flow
Our
of
liver is on left side.
right to left.
Our
When,
liver is also on left side and heart is also on left side.
when you sleep on your left side, your right nostril is up. I told you that right nostril means Pingla Nadi, means heat in the energy, means left brain. So Pingla Nadi, when it helps us to create heat in the body, which helps us to digest our food. So when you sleep on the left side, your right nostril is up. Whichever nostril is up, that gets activated on its own. And you digest your food much better. That's the science behind it. Okay. Now let's get back to our topic. Okay. Now, why do you think we suffer from problems? Whatever small to big diseases that we suffer from is the energy block related disease. So obviously, if we have 72,000 nadis, remember that, through which the prana flows. Prana take care of our seeing, all the 5 sense organs, all the actions of our body is taken care by the prana. So if the prana doesn't flow freely, we suffer from problems. So whenever our posture is not right, our eating habits are wrong, faulty, due to the faulty eating habit, faulty posture, too much of stress, and other problem related disease or the hereditary problem. What happened? We start blocking the prana we start blocking these nadis. Now, out of 72,000 nadis, if 1,000 or 5,000 nadis also get blocked, our body functions. But the body is full of aches, pains, and diseases. And if these nadis remain blocked for a longer time, then the diseases, the chronic diseases appear. So we start suffering from diabetes or heart-related problem or kidney-related problem and lot more. We all know about it. So let's hear about it.
Whenever energy gets blocked or cannot flow efficiently for some reason, the normal functioning of different body parts can become impaired and lead to diseases.
ठीक हम भेजता लिफ्ट में क्या
Please mute yourself.
वो भेजता है
Mute yourself.
Ancient yogis discovered that by practicing asanas and pranayama, we could remove pranic energy block, thereby allowing our body to regenerate more efficiently.
So nowadays, for each and every diseases, the doctors, they do say that, okay, I'm giving medication for so and so problem, but for especially for heart problem or diabetes, they say that walking is important, or you must start meditation or pranayam or yogasana regularly, and this will help you to remove your problem or manage your disease much better. So basically what happened when we do pranayam or yoga or meditation, yogasana or meditation, you unblock the blockages. And once you do that, your problem, either you manage it very well or it gets cured. In my case, like my rheumatoid arthritis completely got cured. And in 11 years, not a single attack was there. But I'm managing my diabetes very well. And that too, I have since past 20 years. Okay. Now, what is square breathing as today's topic? Let's hear about it.
Square breathing is essentially controlled breathing and is a fundamental part of meditation. It soothes the nerves and relieves stress by regulating the autonomic nervous system. It is especially effective in controlling migraine attacks and chronic sinus problems. It removes blockages in the arteries and helps improve blood circulation.
You know something? Without food, we can survive for 15 days to 1 month, right? We can survive. We can live.
मेरा तो पूरा चांस था सीक्वेंस का, इसलिए मैं तुम खेलना पड़ा.
Hello, somebody has not muted. Please mute yourself.
Renu, please mute karo, Renu.
And without water, we can survive from 3 days to 1 week. But without breath, we cannot survive more than 3 minutes. We cannot. But how much do we know about our breathing process? How well do we do breathing? We are not even aware whether we are breathing properly or not. It's a very shallow breathing. Let's hear about it.
When under stress, we have a tendency to get into shallow breathing cycle, a pattern that becomes a habit and often leads to high blood pressure and other respiratory ailments.
Do you know one thing, that whatever oxygen intake we do while breathing process, during the breathing process, 20% of the oxygen intake goes to our brain requires. So whenever we do shallow breathing, suppose instead of 100% oxygen that our body needs, we provide only 70% of the oxygen. So out of those 70%, so brain also receive less oxygen. That is 20% of that 70%. So brain receive less, but also obviously how will the brain function properly? And brain takes care of the function of our entire body, whether it is our spine, whether it is our organs like liver and all. They're all functionable with the help of our brain. If the brain doesn't send the secretion, the hormones and all, these organs will not function properly. These glands cannot function properly. So if we provide less oxygen to the brain, the less oxygen goes to all the other organ also, which cannot function properly, and we start suffering from diseases.
Now, the last and final one is square breathing with the Gayatri Mantra. What is square breathing? Our emotional body is directly attuned with our breathing. This can be easily seen when one is in a state of anger. Our face turns red, breathing becomes fast, and so on. So, to gain control of such kinds of emotional situations, the easiest thing one can do is to stabilize their breathing, and this pranayama is the quickest way to seize control. This exercise can also be used for meditation or just to calm oneself. For square breathing, we have to breathe slowly through our nose.
So how many rusts or emotions I won't say suffer from, because few emotions are really very good. How many emotions are there? Who knows about it?
Anupama, please mute yourself.
How many
Anupama,
emotions are there? Navras आपने सुना है? Nine emotions.
Many.
No, 9. They are 9.
nine. Not
So,
us.
all have 9 emotions. And what happened with during each and every emotion? What happens to our breath?
We breathe fast.
Well,
The rhythm,
not
the
in
rhythm
all.
changes.
Not
The
in
rhythm
all.
of our breathing changes.
Yeah, the breathing changes.
Breathing
with all the
changes.
emotions. Yes, exactly. Like whenever we are stressed, then again we have to take deep breath all the time. So वो हम जो लंबी लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते हैं just stress में, because at times we forget to breathe. जब याद करिए जब वो पहला प्यार हुआ था तब हमारी सांसें कैसे बदल गई थी, गुस्से में, एंगर, फिर उसके बाद जेलेसी में. So we have effect on our breath. तो अगर आपको अपने इमोशन को कंट्रोल करना है, उसको अपने कंट्रोल में करना है, so simplest way is to control your breath or to immediately focus on your breath. Your emotion will be under your control. And the square breathing is the easiest way to control your emotion. So what you have to do in this, just hear it out.
6 counts. Hold the breath in for another slow count of 6. Exhale through the nose for a count of 6. And hold again for a count of 6. Let us try it out.
Is it clear to everyone? So let's try it out. You have to breathe in for 6 count. You don't have to breathe. You don't have to count. You simply have to focus on your breath. So this audio visual will count for you. And then you have to hold your breath for 6 count. You have to breathe out for 6 count. Hold it again for 6 count. People who suffer from high blood pressure, please do not hold. You can just breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Do not hold your breath. Okay, so let's try it out. And for that, you have to sit in Gyan Mudra, touch your index finger and the thumb, place it on your lap, and close your eyes and focus on your breath. Let's do it. Let's try it out.
Inhale. 1, 2,
Breathe in.
3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Was it clear to everyone? Thank you. Thank you, Shubha.
Very nice, very nice.
It is very simple. So many people like
So I have a question that people who have blood pressure, can
Huh.
they hold their breath?
Not because by doing this deep breathing, that is 6 count in and 6 count out, automatically you will see within few days the blood pressure will start becoming more normalized. It will start normalizing. Then you can start holding and hold for 3 count only, not for 6. And then slowly you can introduce this holding part, and you can see the result. Okay, but by doing square breathing, people have cured their blood pressure.
Oh,
That's a fact. So many people, so many of my students have cured their blood pressure. Now, the same square breathing we will do with Gayatri Mantra. Now,
Wow.
why Gayatri Mantra? You have to figure it out. So, do you know something about Gayatri Mantra? Who knows the benefit of Gayatri Mantra? Now, how many mantras combinations this Gayatri Mantra has? And what are the power of, like, what are benefits of mantras? Like, what do you know about mantras?
Only this much, that their mantras are very powerful. That's
They
all
are
I
powerful
know
because
about.
they create vibrations around you and in the atmosphere. And when you chant it, each mantra or each beach mantra is a seed. बीज है वो, जैसे बीज किस लिए कहा जाता है कि एक्चुअली इट्स अ बीज, और जब उनको सॉ किया जाता है, जब उनको रोपा जाता है, तो हमारे शरीर में हम क्या कहते हैं, बीज मंत्र को रोपते हैं बाय चैंटिंग इट रेगुलरली, एंड दैट बीज, दैट सीड takes the form of a tree within due course. जैसे 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 वक्त होता है, जैसे जितना पेड़ को उगने में टाइम लगता है, वैसे ही हमारे शरीर के अंदर वो बीज मंत्र, अब जो बीज है वो फली फूलित होकर हमारे अंदर उसका फायदा पहुंचाती है. It gives us the benefit of that. Okay, so Gayatri, like Omkar, it's a beach mantra, Om, and it has so many benefits. Brahmari, and there's so many bijas, like each and every chakra has a beach mantra, and they have different benefits attached to it. Gayatri mantra is the combination of 24 beach mantras, or the 24 mantras, a
oh.
sound vibration, and it affects or stimulate 24 powerful principles of our body. Let's hear about it.
In this meditation, we have synchronized the square breathing technique with the very powerful Gayatri Mantra. The words of the Gayatri Mantra are arranged in such a way that its chanting create specific energies.
Now, do you know one thing, that the Gayatri Mantra has gone global? Are you aware that people are doing research on Gayatri Mantra?
Yes.
And in Germany especially, and so many of schools of Germany, Germany and South America, and in America itself and part of Europe, they broadcast this wonderful Gayatri Mantra every day in the morning from 7 to 7:50, so that it can vibrate and stimulate those 24 principles that I'm talking about and all those people. So Dr. Howard Stengel, an American scientist, collected mantras, hymns, and invocations from all over the world and tested their strength in this physiology laboratory. Hindus Gayatri Mantra produce 110,000 sound waves per second. This was the highest and was found to be most powerful hymn in the world. Through the combination, though the combination of sound or sound waves of a particular frequency, the mantra is claimed capable of developing specific spiritual potentialities. The Hamburg University initiated research into the efficacy of Gayatri Mantra both on the mental and physical plane of creation. The Gayatri Mantra is broadcast daily for 15 minutes from 7 p.m. onwards over radio in Paramaribo, Suriname, South America for the past 2 years, and in Amsterdam, Holland for the last 6 months. That was a long time back when I got the research. So what does Gayatri Mantra do? Benefits of Gayatri Mantra. Let's hear about it.
The benefits of this technique are profound because it stimulates the 24 elements of our body, the 5 Panch Mahabhuta.
So what are, we all know that our body is made up of 5 elements. If these elements become imbalanced, we suffer from diseases. So fire, tell me one thing, where does the earth reside? In our which part of our body is made up of earth? Let's put it in this way.
Bones.
Yes. So whatever is solid in our body is made up of earth element. So our muscles, our fat, our bones, whatever is solid is made up of earth element. For water, where does water reside?
Blood.
70% of our body is liquid.
Yes.
Is water.
Exactly. So whatever flows in our body, I mean to say in the liquid form, as that blood and the juices and all,
Juices.
the water element in that. Fire.
When we digest our food, it's fire. That's in our stomach.
Jathagni, जिसको हम Jathagni जानते हैं.
Correct.
Plus, we have a body temperature. Have you realized that?
Yes.
अगर वो temperature कम या बेसी होता है, again we suffer. If the temperature rises, we suffer from temperature. बुखार हो जाती है. कम हो जाता है, so again we suffer कि शरीर ठंडा हो गया है, which is dangerous, right? Now air, where does the air reside?
In our lungs, we breathe every second. So
blood circulatory system happens because of the air element. Okay. Ether, where does the ether reside?
Empty space, whatever we have in our body.
Wow, I love you. Yes, in between 2 cells, ether reside. And if any one of the element get imbalance or they are not very balanced, we suffer from diseases. We all know what kind of, like the fire element is high or low, we suffer from acidity problem, migraine problem, indigestion problem, and lot more. So they need to be properly balanced. Now I told you 24. So let's hear what others.
5 sense organs.
What are the five sense organs? You all can see it now.
The hearing, the seeing,
Yes.
the
So
smell.
we,
Eyes, nose,
Touch.
right.
and that.
So we always live in the outside world because of these five sense organs.
Organs.
If one of the organ also doesn't work, the five sense organ में से एक भी sense organ काम नहीं करता है, we suffer. Eyes, ears, all of them, they have to work properly. Okay, it's important for us to be in this world.
5. Work organs.
Okay, you all can see that. So अगर एक भी काम नहीं करे, so we will suffer. Hands we need, legs we need, urinary tract. अगर वो काम नहीं करे, we will suffer. Anus, even this need to work properly, otherwise we run to the doctor. And mouth to eat food.
5. Pranas.
Now, what do you know about these prana?
The 5 chakras in our body from navel to.
No, chakras control prana. What do we mean by prana? And prana का नाम क्या है? कुछ सुना है आप लोगों ने?
Vayu.
Apanai swaha, pranay swaha.
Exactly. Yes.
Samanay swaha.
हाँ, लेकिन वो है क्या विद्या? आप बता सकते हैं?
Vayu.
ये अपने डाइजेस्ट करते हैं फूड को मुंह से लेके हैं और डाइजेस्ट होकर जब तक फूड बाहर निकलता है तो ये पांचों प्राणा से डाइजेस्ट होता है. 5 तरह की वायु होती है हमारे शरीर में.
यस विद्या जी, कुछ परसेंटेज तक आपका सही है. सो जैसा कि मैंने कहा था that we have prana that flow in our body. Prana flow in different direction, and whatever direction they flow, they have been given termed. Like our Apan Vayu, 5 in number, as I said, Apan Vayu rotate only in the leg region and is controlled by Muladhara Chakra and Swadhisthana Chakra, and it takes care of the excretion of the body. So if the Apan Vayu becomes imbalanced, our anus and urinary tract, and the mother will not be able to push the child out from the womb. So this Vayu, this Apan Vayu works in that and controls these actions of the body. Saman Vayu rotate only in the stomach region and controls our digestion. Pran Vayu rotate from our, as you can see in the picture, the green color, rotate from our navel to the neck region and it controls the blood circulatory system.
Picture नहीं आ रहा है हमारे इसमें.
Picture नहीं है. Picture is not there.
कब से नहीं है?
Picture is not. Picture है ही नहीं.
Picture है ही नहीं.
Oh my God.
We are just looking at your computer का सब हो. That's all. Picture is not there.
Square breathing, Gayatri mantra, वही सब लिखा हुआ है.
Only written things are there. Nothing, no picture.
इसके बाद देखती हूँ. खैर अब तो पिक्चर की जरूरत भी नहीं है, पहली जरूरत थी. I wish आप लोग मेरे को पहले बोल देते थे. I would have started again. Anyway, so Pran Vayu rotate from our navel, navel to the neck region, this part, and controls our blood circulatory system, our functions of lungs and heart. Then your Udan Vayu rotate from our neck to the head region and controls the 5 sense organs. And Vyan Vayu rotate in our entire body and controls the function of these 4 Vayus. That is Apan, Saman, Vyan, Udan and Pran. And Vyan Vayu, you must have heard about the yogis who take Jal Samadhi for months and years, or Bhumi Samadhi, and they come out. And so that means when they have taken Jal Samadhi, they don't breathe in or out. How do you think they survive? Have you heard about any of such yogis?
कुंभक करते हैं.
कुंभक में तो सांस रोक लेते हैं.
हाँ.
न तो सांस लेते हैं, न सांस छोड़ते हैं. तो व्यान वायु, जब चारों वायु को, प्राण को व्यान वायु में जब हम योगिकली इतने एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, इतने इवॉल्व हो जाते हैं, when we know how to merge all the 4 vayus into Vyan Vayu, then a yogi doesn't need, there's no need for inhalation and exhalation. Everything happens in the body itself. Then the yogi can take Jal Samadhi or Bhumi Samadhi for years or months, and they don't need to inhale or exhale to survive. So these are again 5. So far we have discussed about 5 pranas, then 5 elements, that is earth, water, fire, air, and ether. So that makes it becomes 10. 5 sense organ, so that becomes 15. 5 work organ, that becomes 20. 4 more are there. So let's hear about it.
Man.
Man is a physical mind. तो हम we are the slaves of our physical mind, जिसको हम मन के रूप से कहते हैं. So many times don't you say that, I know my intellect mind or my buddhi tells me that I must go for walk every day, लेकिन मन नहीं करता. सुबह उठने की इच्छा नहीं करती है, मन ही नहीं करता. Don't you say that? So your man, we all are slaves of our man, physical mind, which controls only 5 to 7% of our brain activity. Rest 93 to 9% of the brain activity of brain remain untapped, unutilized throughout our life. And we utilize only 5 to 7%. That is our man, physical mind. So once we do regular deep breathing process, pranayama, meditation, what happened? We start utilizing, we start tapping that unused brain area, which is known as buddhi. Buddhi will never give us any wrong advice. And once our buddhi is more active, intellect mind is more active, our karmas also automatically becomes right. We cannot do wrong karma. So that is man.
Buddhi.
Buddhi, what I just told you.
Chit.
Chit is our soul. Okay.
And ahankar, ego.
Right. So these are the 24 elements that is controlled, stimulated, and balanced when we chant Gayatri Mantra, or we are in the vicinity where the chanting is happening and we're hearing it, start stimulating or affecting these 24 elements of our body. So what we will do today, we will learn how to do this wonderful square breathing with powerful Gayatri Mantra. So Gayatri Mantra has 4 lines. Let's hear about it.
The benefits of this technique are profound because it stimulates the 24 elements of our body.
Sorry, we
the
have
5
already heard about
Panch
it.
Mahabhuta, 5 sense organs. There are 4 parts in the Gayatri Mantra. For square breathing with Gayatri Mantra, one has to inhale during the first part, which is Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha. Hold during the chanting of the second part, Tat Savitur Varenyam. Exhale during the chanting of the third part, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. Then hold again during the chanting of the fourth part, Dhiyo Yuna Prachodayat. Please follow the square breathing along with the Gayatri Mantra.
Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so you don't have to chant. Remember that आपको chant नहीं करना है. आपके सामने chanting होगी और आपको उसके साथ square breathing करना है, which has been already taught to you. People suffering from blood pressure, we will not hold. पहले लाइन पे आप सांस लेंगे, दूसरे लाइन पे सांस छोड़ेंगे, तीसरे लाइन पे फिर से सांस लेंगे, चौथे लाइन पे फिर से छोड़ेंगे. Okay, otherwise Om Bhur Bhuva, so I'll be guiding you again. So this will run and just practice it along with it. तो ये practice round है, उसके बाद हम लोग 11 minutes का करेंगे. So are you all ready? Just hear it out and do. Try to do it with your eyes closed.
Om
Breathe in.
Bhuvasvaha
Hold your breath. Keep
Tatsavitrevarenyam
holding it.
Bhargo
Breathe out slowly
Devasya
and
Dhimahi
steadily.
Dhiyo
Hold
Yo
again.
Nah Prachodayat.
Start inhaling slowly.
Bhuvasvaha
Hold your breath.
Tatsavitrevarenyam
Breathe
Bhargo
out slowly and
Devasya
steadily.
Dhimahi
Hold
Dhiyo Yo
again.
Nah Prachodayat.
Inhale.
Om Bhuvasvaha
Hold.
Tatsavitrevarenyam Bhargo Devasya
Exhale.
Dhimahi Dhiyo
Hold
Yo Nah
again.
Prachodayat.
Okay, was it clear? Anybody had any difficulty? Because now we'll be doing a little longer one. Anyone?
The second time holding becomes little tough.
Okay, so
Fourth line,
one
fourth
technique
line.
in that, the
हाँ.
fourth line, you do one thing, you exhale longer. जो
Okay.
breathe out हम करते हैं वो थोड़ा सा लंबा कर लीजिए. Then
Fine.
you will
Fine.
not find it difficult. So are
Okay,
we all
fine.
ready to do it for longer time? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now sit comfortably. Close your eyes.
Chanting the Gayatri mantra creates specific energies.
Take the
It is a mantra which
Gyan
inspires
Mudra. Place
righteous
both your
wisdom
hands on your lap.
by asking of the Almighty to illuminate our intellect.
And enjoy.
Doing the Gayatri in tandem with square breathing leads to beneficial results. Take your positions. Sit with your back straight, with your hands in Gyan Mudra, resting on your lap. Close your eyes and relax. Relax your shoulders, your hands, and your legs. Relax every part of your body. Now, with a relaxed body, focus on your breath, on the flow of your breath, be it fast, slow, rhythmic, non-rhythmic, equal or unequal. Focus on the temperature of your breath. Feel the coolness of the air on the inside of your nostrils while breathing in. Feel the warmth of the air on your upper lip area while breathing out. Now, let us begin with square breathing in sync with the Gayatri mantra.
Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitrevarenyam Bhargo देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Rub your palms together, cup your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari.
Hari Om.
Okay.
Really enjoy
that. So this, if you want, I'll share this audio in the group. I'll send it to Lakshmi ji, or you can practice this wonderful meditation form, come breathing technique, which is very simple yet very effective. Within a week, 10 days, you will see those small, subtle benefits and differences in you. And you can do with any of the Gayatri mantra that's being chanted in the similar way. Now, any problem anybody faced? If you have any question, you can ask me. I know you want me to do it, so all of you want that mudra because it's overshot the time.
Little bit, few mudras at least.
प्रीति जी खाली मुद्रास का वो बता दीजिए बेनिफिट्स है ना, तो मीटिंग फायर
अच्छा
वाटर
वो मालूम नहीं क्या है, मैं वापस से देखती हूँ कि ये आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. नाउ दिस टाइम डू लेट मी नो कि आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. ओके
Mudra.
Can you all see the
No,
video?
no, no picture, no
Highly
picture.
distinct.
God, क्यों picture क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं?
Only sound is there.
आना चाहिए picture भी. ठीक है, मैं पूरा बंद करके फिर शुरू करती हूँ. Maybe we'll be able to see. Give me a minute. Okay, hopefully. Okay, now can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, great.
Yes, yes.
Mudra. Mudra
Everybody
Vigyan
can
is an
see this now?
entirely distinct and independent branch of yoga. This is the science of finger postures. Based on yoga of elements that go to create the human body. The science that can help raise the human being to achieve almost divine powers and keep the body perfectly fit. Like any yoga, mudras are nature's way of healing, as intended by nature, and therefore the mandates of nature are to be followed. Some mudras do give instant relief, but for permanent and long-term gains, they should be done with sincerity and belief. Mudras need no prior preparation. They can be done mostly, but with exceptions, at any time, anywhere, and under virtually any circumstances.
So mudra, there's no need ki wo like asana and pranayam, you need to be empty stomach. Mudra can be done at any time, while watching TV, while talking, while walking, while sleeping. You can do mudra and it will give you the same desired result. So today we will be talking about the mudras in connection with the 5 elements.
According to the yoga of science, 5 elements, the Panch Mahabhutas, are referred to the 5 building blocks that go into the formation of any living body. Several ancient health systems are based on the concept of the balance of the 5 elements. According to Ayurveda and metaphysics, distortion or impairment of the 5 elements creates outer disturbance and inner sickness in the body. The 5 fingers of the hand represent the 5 elements. The thumb represents the fire or sun. The index finger, air or wind. Middle finger, sky or space. Ring finger, earth. And the last small finger represents water.
So first one is called the Jalodhar Nashak Mudra. So whatever you want to balance, with the help of the Agni Tattva or Agni finger, we can balance it out. So you must have heard about the acupuncture, acupressure. Mudras are just like acupressure because each and every prana that we say, the 72,000 channels, there is ending to all those channels. So our hands and the sole of the foot has these nerve ending. And when you press the part of that nerve ending, whatever problem we suffer from, whatever imbalances we create, that automatically start becoming balanced. So the first one is Jalodhar Nashak Mudra.
Jalodhar Nashak Mudra. For this, make a fist. Open the index, middle, and ring finger. Put the thumb pressure on the small finger. It helps to burn excessive water in the abdominal region and helps in weight reduction.
People who suffer, जिनके swelling बहुत आ जाती है, पानी भर जाता है शरीर में, this mudra works just like Lasix. हम लोग Lasix लेते हैं, if you all remember. जब बहुत ज़्यादा पानी भर जाता है तो breathlessness होने लगती है. You feel very heavy in your body. So this mudra really helps. By doing this mudra, if you pass a lot of urine, don't worry about it. This is but natural. Or this mudra helps us to burn away the excess water in the stomach.
Surya Mudra. For this, put the tip of the ring finger at the base of the thumb, with the thumb gently pressing on it. This mudra helps to reduce the weight of your body.
That's a fact. People love this mudra because it does. Because why we become obese or anorexic when the earth element becomes imbalanced in the body. So this mudra helps. Basically, what happened? It increases the Jatagni or the metabolism. Once it increases the metabolism, so obviously our weight issue, not exorbitantly, but it start becoming balanced.
It helps in digestion also.
Yes, it does help in digestion.
After having lunch and dinner, if you do this, it helps in digestion.
Yes.
How much time should you do?
For 2 to 10 minutes. And these mudras can be done 3 to 4 times in a day as per your requirement.
Okay. With both the hands? With both the hands?
हाँ, नहीं तो एक तरफ का आपका फैट कम होगा, एक तरफ रहेगा.
So tough.
Sorry, just to make fun.
एक समय में कितने 2 मिनट?
Minimum 2 to 10 minutes.
Anytime we can do Preeti.
Normal breathing.
And after food also, lunch,
Yes,
dinner.
you can do after food also.
जब हम वॉक करते हैं उस समय कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. आप टीवी देखते वक्त कर सकते हैं, बातें करते वक्त कर सकते हैं. आजकल तो वो हैंडलेस फोन आता है, तो आप फोन पे बात करते हुए कर सकते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल.
ओके, गुड.
शून्य मुद्रा. For this, put the tip of the middle finger at the base of the thumb, with the thumb gently pressing on it. This mudra helps those with impaired hearing. If there is no physical defect, the mudra, if practiced regularly, can restore the hearing power. Remarkably, it helps in getting rid of earaches within minutes. It takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes to get rid of most earaches. It helps in relieving the nausea and vomiting sensation felt while driving on winding hilly curves or while taking off or landing in aircrafts. It helps in many problems of vertigo. This mudra should not be continued after the problem has been removed.
That's a fact. So whenever we take off or we land, a lot of people, they suffer from earache problem. if you sit in this mudra, so actually you can take care of that problem. And people who suffer from vertigo, this will be really very good for them. This is wonderful. We practice it so many times. जब हमको बहुत gastric problem हो जाती है, this mudra is very, very useful.
Vayu Mudra. For this, press the index finger on the base of the thumb and keep the thumb on the index finger. Let the other fingers be absolutely straight. As the name suggests, this mudra helps to release gas and the discomfort almost immediately.
See, so these are all about the mudras in connection with the 5 elements. Any question that you want to ask now?
Is there any mudra which can help for memory?
Not that I'm aware of. Maybe there is, but I have not learned. I'm not, but for memory, meditation is the best form.
Yeah.
And deep breathing is the best form. As I told you, that we get connected to the intellect mind. And if the intellect mind is, you get connected with that, it automatically takes care of the memory.
Preeti ji, for acidity and like burping, no, some people have because of acidity. Is there any mudra which can help?
There are mudras, but that again we'll have to get into that. There are mudras for prana and all, but again, acidity, migraine and all is taken care by. You can teach them this wonderful form of square breathing with Gayatri mantra. It really helps.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
And
Thank
it's
you.
so simple. There's no problem at all in this and learning also.
अभी सब लोग को कब्जी का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहता है ना, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, उसके लिए भी मुद्रा है कोई?
कॉन्स्टिपेशन के लिए एक अपान वायु मुद्रा है. वो जो आप लोगों ने 5 प्राण सीखे थे उससे कनेक्टेड है, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको कभी और फिर करना पड़ेगा, because there are different set of mudras.
ओके.
ये जो हम लोग ये स्क्वायर ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, तो इसके लिए भी हैव टू हैव ए टेप और समथिंग, बिकॉज बोल के करना तो
you can't sing or you can't chant.
You can't do. Yeah, you have to.
If you are hearing it, that will be much better. Or you'll have to say it in your mind. But again, what happened? You cannot have the same thing. जब हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो रिकॉर्डिंग में तो सेम रहता है, so you know exactly इतना काउंट तक है. So
I was doing mind से भी कर रही थी जब I was doing following your the whole thing ना, so that time I was doing, but I know with the chanting it's much better.
इनकी रिकॉर्डिंग आएगी, उससे आप लोग सब कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, मेरे पास है, मैं उसी से करती हूँ. हाँ,
स्क्वायर ब्रीथिंग में सांस काफी भर जाती है.
तो आप ऐसा करिए, अगर आपको सांस का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा था कि पहली वाली सांस रोकने में तो मुश्किल नहीं है लेने के बाद में, ये दूसरी वाली जो है उसमें प्रॉब्लम है. तो जब आप एक्सेल करते हैं वो लंबा करिए तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. और कुछ बार प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद, 2-3 दिन प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आपका अपने आप वो फॉल होने लग जाएगा, आराम से होने लग जाएगा.
और क्वेश्चंस हैं सब मेंबर्स? किसी को पूछना है कुछ? विद्या जी, वोट ऑफ थैंक्स करा दे मैं?
हाँ जी, करा दी.
हाँ, संपर्क
जी, I just want to tell you, in such a short period.
हाँ, मैं करती हूँ.
1 मिनट. हाँ,
1 मिनट संपत.
हाँ, बोलो.
प्रीति जी, in such a short period, इतना नॉलेज आपने हम लोग को दिया है, and I must say कि everything shows in your personality, so cheerful, so lovely, और इतनी सरलता से आपने सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया है. I am sure आज हमारे सब मेंबर्स बेनिफिट होंगे इससे. So nice of you.
आज अटेंडेंस देख लो ना.
क्या अटेंडेंस? मैंने आपको क्या बोला था कि हमारे 40 करीब होंगे, 60 मेंबर्स हैं हमारे. And for 1.5 hours they are attending. It's really remarkable.
अच्छा, ये स्क्वायर ब्रीदिंग मेरे को एक पूछना है, स्क्वायर ब्रीदिंग 5 मिनट करना चाहिए कि 10 मिनट, कितनी देर तक मैक्सिमम?
मधु जी, आप जब करोगे तो आई कैन अश्योर यू वन थिंग, 5 मिनट आपको, पहले आप 5 मिनट से शुरू करिए, फिर 1 हफ्ते के अंदर आपको लगेगा 5 मिनट तो कब खत्म हो जाते पता भी नहीं चलता। आप मेरे को फोन करोगे कि मुझे लंबा चाहिए,
अच्छा
10 मिनट का दूंगी, फिर आप महीने भर बाद फोन करोगे 10 मिनट तो बहुत कम लगता है, मैं 2 बार घुमाती हूँ, आपके पास उससे लंबा है?
And Madhu, I can assure it is very true. It is very true. और इतने डीप मेडिटेशन में चले जाते हैं इसको खत्म होने पे, you will thoroughly enjoy it.
I'll enjoy. I'll try my best.
Sampath, now you.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
या बोलो संपत।
हाँ, डॉक्टर प्रीति मंडावाला को अनेक अनेक धन्यवाद अर्चना ट्रस्ट के प्रति देने का ये शुभ अवसर मानती हूँ। सच आपने आपके साथ विभिन्न मुद्रा और मंत्र को मात्र सुनने से हृदय को शालीनता मिली है, वो वर्णन करना कठिन है। गायत्री मंत्र का प्रभाव कुछ ऐसा है कि इसके जाप से तमाम कष्ट प्रभावहीन हो जाते हैं। गायत्री मंत्र का प्रयोग हर क्षेत्र में सफलता के लिए सिद्ध माना गया है। मंत्रों की ध्वनि से असीम शांति की अनुभूति होती है। गायत्री मंत्र के उपाय जीवन में को हर ओर से खुशहाल बना सकते हैं। गायत्री मंत्र के उच्चारण से हम अपने क्रोध को शांत कर सकते हैं। गायत्री मंत्र का उच्चारण करने से शरीर की अनेक बीमारियों से भी छुटकारा मिल सकता है। ऐसा माना गया है कि इसके उच्चारण से रक्त का संचार सही तरीके से होता है। इसके अलावा अस्थमा के रोगियों के लिए इसका जप बहुत लाभकारी बताया गया है। लॉकडाउन के इस 1 साल में मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिस करने से और ऐसे मंत्र सुनने से विचलित मन को बहुत शांति और आनंद का एहसास हुआ है। आगे जाकर ये हमारी रोज की क्रिया हो जाएगी और सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए सीमित नहीं रहेगी। देश विदेश के हर पीढ़ी इसको अपनाएगी। थैंक यू प्रीति जी, आपने अपना इतना अमूल्य समय दिया और हम लोगों को आज बहुत ही आनंदित किया। थैंक यू सो मच प्रीति जी।
थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी नाइस।
बहुत सीखने मिला हम लोगों को।
वेरी गुड सेशन।
Very nice. Thank you so much, Preeti ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
प्रीति जी, हम लोग ये सरिता के साथ करते हैं, आज आपके साथ करा।
So I'm glad for that. और किसी को भी अगर शुरू करना है, चक्रों के बारे में सीखना है, Lakshmi will tell you can form a group,
Sure.
you can do online. के ऊपर
I must say कि सबको इसको करिए, you will be so much benefited. It's really good.
प्रीति जी, I want to do.
आप लोग, इंदिरा जी, आप लोग तो एक थोड़ा सा भी ग्रुप बना लोगे बेटर रहेगा। तो लक्ष्मी आपको कह देगी।
हाँ।
तो
इंदिरा जी, we will talk and I'll tell you कि how to proceed.
Okay.
एक ग्रुप बना लीजिए, फिर कर लीजिए, it will be much better.
Okay, thank you.
Very nice.
Very nice
Thank
session.
you a lot. Thanks a lot. आपको कंक्लूड करना है तो मैं छोड़ देती हूँ, कोई भी होस्ट बन जाएंगे। So
नहीं, it's okay.
नहीं,
no, yes.
Okay.
And thank you so much.
Thank you,
for the
Preeti.
hosting.
Thank you.
Yes.
And I'll send you the recording, Lakshmi.
That will be nice.
Clap from my trust side. Clap for you.
Yeah.